Welcome to Moscow, Idaho. I'm Jasmine Chanel, and this is my handy sidekick, Ellis. We're using my drone to show you Moscow, Idaho. And yes, it's pronounced Moscow, not Moscow. Moscow is located in northern Idaho along the state border of Washington. Heading west on Highway 270 will lead you to Pullman, Washington. Driving will take about 10 minutes. No matter which way you enter Moscow, depending on the season, you will be greeted with wheat fields. It's home to the University of Idaho along with New St. Andrews College. If you checked out my last video of the area, you learned that Moscow has grown a lot in the past few years. People from all over the country are relocating here for its slow pace, safe, and family-friendly community. One of my favorite things to do in the summer is attend the local farmers market. Moscow is somewhat a college town, so I enjoy the summer because it seems much quieter with students out of the area, at least until school starts again. You'll find lots to do outside and many nearby parks to enjoy. Temperatures in the summer can reach up to 100 degrees, but it won't last too long. Come October, the weather drops tremendously. Downtown Moscow is just a few minutes away from most neighborhoods. It is small and it includes a few restaurants, coffee shops, and unique shops to explore. There is also a community co-op, Safeway, Rosars for groceries. And for you shoppers, well, you won't find any glamorous shops or high fashion stores, but you have enough to get what you need at least. As I mentioned in my last video, there are countless areas that are currently being developed, creating new businesses and areas to live. New condos, homes, and apartments are popping up all over this small town. One thing I love about the area is that no matter where you are, you feel safe and the people in the community are pretty friendly. When I think of the Palouse, these hills of wheat fields is what I think of. Thanks so much for watching this video, and if you found this video interesting, please help with supporting by clicking the like icon below. Until next time, take care.